Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method onto your Instacart account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in instacart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Instacart website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the login button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, in order to add a payment method, just click on account at the bottom left corner and then click on your account settings. This will now take you into your account settings page, within which you will see payment methods at the left side. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the various different payment methods that you can add onto your Instacart account. You can add your OTC, FSA, EBT or SNAP, as well as Klarna, PayPal, Venmo, or your credit and debit card. Click on whichever option you wish to add as your payment method, and you will then be asked to enter the credentials of this method. Just type in the card number, followed by the expiration month and year, as well as your CVV, and finally your zip code. You can then verify your identity and click on the Save button. And once your credentials have been verified, your payment method will be added onto your account right away. And you can also add multiple payment methods based on the ones that are available within the payment method page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your Instacart account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.